How to use X Bookmarks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use X Bookmarks, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, imagine like you are scrolling through your feed and you find a tweet that you like or that you want to save for later. So, here to do that, simply tap on the bookmark icon, which can be seen just below the post. And now, here, once you tap on it, the post will now be saved privately to your bookmarks. So, here to check your saved post, you simply have to tap on the profile picture, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now, here from the pop up menu, you simply have to select the bookmarks. And here you'll find everything that you have saved before. And here, if you want to remove something, you just have to tap on the same bookmark icon again. And once you do that, it will be removed from your bookmark section. And that's it. That's how you can use your bookmarks option in X app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.